Before Maggie Q became one of TV's most formidable action stars, she was just a barefoot girl in Hawaii, fascinated by animals, passionate about health, and determined to live life on her own terms. From quietly saving animals to performing death-defying stunts on screen, Maggie Q has always followed her own path. But behind the tough exterior and Hollywood headlines is a story full of unexpected twists, quiet resilience, and a warrior spirit that most fans don't fully appreciate. Today on Craze Coutume, we're diving deep into the life of Maggie Q, the woman who broke Hollywood molds, redefined action heroines, and quietly became a powerhouse. Smash that like button if you're ready to uncover the secrets behind the stunts, the activism, and the grit of Maggie Q. Maggie Q was born Margaret Denise Quigley on May 22, 1979 in Honolulu, Hawaii. Her heritage is as diverse as her life. Her mother is Vietnamese, her father Polish-Irish. She grew up with 4 siblings, barefoot on Hawaiian streets, learning discipline from athletics and compassion from her love for animals. Her early ambition? To become a veterinarian. She earned an athletics scholarship and dreamt of donning a white coat, but life had other plans. Her family faced financial struggles, and at just 17, Maggie left Hawaii with only $20 in her pocket, heading to Asia to try her luck at modeling. In Tokyo, success didn't come easy. Language barriers, cultural adjustments, and sleeping in hostels made life grueling, but Maggie adapted. She shortened her last name to Q because Quigley was hard to pronounce in Asia, a strategic move that would later become iconic. Her journey to Hong Kong marked a turning point. Here, she met the legendary Jackie Chan, who became her mentor. Unlike many action stars who trained for years, Maggie started from zero. Jackie Chan taught her martial arts, stunt discipline, and the art of performing death-defying moves on camera. Today, she's known for doing all her own stunts, a rare feat in Hollywood. If you're loving this dive into Maggie Q's roots, comment below your favorite action heroine, and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into under-the-radar stars. Maggie Q's Hollywood breakthrough came with Mission Impossible 3, 2006, where she played Jen, the sole female IMF agent. She followed that with Live Free or Die Hard, 2007, playing cyber terrorist Maya Lin opposite Bruce Willis. But Hollywood had its pigeonholes. Maggie was often cast as the exotic femme fatale or supporting sidekick. Tired of typecasting, she pivoted to television. In Nikita, 2010 to 2013, she starred as a rogue assassin layered with vulnerability, strength, and intelligence. In Designated Survivor, 2016 to 2019, she played FBI agent Hannah Wells, combining grit with empathy, an action heroine with depth. She also became part of the Divergent series as Tori Wu, showing her ability to balance blockbuster appeal with character complexity. Later, she headlined The Protégé, 2021, alongside Samuel L. Jackson and Michael Keaton, proving she can carry a film with sheer presence and skill. Hollywood may have tried to fit Maggie Q into a box, but she rewrote the rules, proving that women can lead, dominate, and redefine action life. Hit like if you think Maggie Q deserves more recognition for changing the rules of action cinema. Off-screen, Maggie Q's life has been a series of challenges met with quiet strength. She lost her Los Angeles home in a devastating mudslide caused by state-owned land. No help, no compensation, just heartbreak. The experience pushed her to relocate to Arizona, seeking a space filled with positive energy. Maggie Q also embraces wellness in extreme discipline. She's been juicing daily for 25 years, runs her health brand Activated You, and promotes a vegan lifestyle. She lobbies for animal welfare, works with PETA, and embodies activism in her everyday life. Are you inspired by Maggie Q's off-screen discipline? Comment warrior spirit if you are. In a world obsessed with Botox, filters, and cosmetic perfection, Maggie Q stands out by focusing on natural beauty. No injections, no fillers, just nutrition, gut health, and high-quality skincare. Her favorite brands include May Lindstrom and local Hawaiian herbal products. Even criticism doesn't shake her. In 2021, she received a Razzie nomination for Worst Supporting Actress for Fantasy Island. Most would crumble, but not Maggie. She kept working, starred in The Protégé and Fear the Night, and executive-produced films, proof that resilience defines her more than accolades or awards. Her career and lifestyle show a woman who fights on screen, lives consciously off-screen, and refuses to be boxed in. Truly a silent powerhouse. Smash that like and subscribe button if you admire a star who doesn't just survive Hollywood, but thrives on her own terms. Maggie Q is more than an action star. She's a trailblazer, activist, and disciplined powerhouse whose story combines grit, heart, and purpose. From a barefoot Hawaiian girl to a global icon, she proves that independence, resilience, and staying true to yourself can rewrite any narrative. Which of these Maggie Q facts surprised you the most? Comment below, hit like, and subscribe to Craze Kutum for more cinematic deep dives into under-the-radar stars who inspire, surprise, and dominate.